Hey Rambler Nation, welcome back to Rambler Production Studio, and we have a treat for you today. Landon's here with me, and we're going to do an unboxing of some new toys for our production program. So Landon, do the first box for us.
I'll try my best.
Pull this, just pull this right back.
Sure?
Yes. Just go like this, hold it. There you go. We have bubble wrap, we're happy. We'll fight over that. Ooh. Oh!
The cards.
We have a new card reader. So that we're not fighting over card readers. We're waiting our turns. We now have a new card reader. So that's very exciting.
We got new cards.
New cards. Yeah, we have 2 new CF cards. And we have a new lens cap because someone wants one. Alright, awesome. So that's good. We need to keep that box of receipts. Alright. Alright, I get the next one. We kind of guessed on what we thought were in these and we're not sure. But that must mean you're right about it. I don't think I need scissors. I love new toys from B&H. B&H in New York City is awesome. We love them. So we have some things to pop, which people can do after the show. And look at that bubble wrap. You know what's in there? We have 10 new bulbs for our lights so that we can use all our lights again to light our set. So that's awesome. Look how well packed that is. We love that. And we have a gel pack so we can do colored lights and do some funky cool stuff. We're super excited about that as well. Awesome. Landon,
Next box.
what's next? I bet this is the. We think we know what this one is. We know what this one is. It's a okay.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a bigger box than I expected for this last toy. But
Last one. There we go.
oh, you're taking the whole box apart.
I know it won't.
Do it this way. Chip is.
Oh, I'm stupid.
You're not stupid. Don't say that. All right.
There we go.
So I'll let you do the honors.
No. There's so much bubble wrap.
More bubble wrap.
Oh, and I see it.
What is that?
It's the new wand light.
It's a stick light. And so this will allow us to do some soft fill in behind our interviewees and stuff when we're shooting interviews. It's great for doing lighting in a car. Oh, it's got its own little bag. That's cool. Wasn't expecting that. So this is our new. This is our new wand light.
Oh my god.
This is not a lightsaber, but it is a light wand. So this will. I wonder if we can even turn it on.
I think we can.
Probably, it's probably dead. Anyway, let's keep it moving. There's our light stick. And that means this is our other light. So if you notice a theme in this episode of Unboxing with Rambler Productions, we got a lot of stuff for our lighting needs. Most of this is lighting needs because our lighting equipment needs some upgrades.
That's a lot of bubble
And
wrap.
here's a ton of bubble wrap.
Oh my gosh.
People can have fun with that later. Oh yeah. This is a ring light. And we do need the scissors for this one because they really tape that well.
Here you go.
We're excited to have this ring light to play with. We'll be able to do some really cool effects with it. Do some fun lighting techniques, which we're working on learning more about lighting here at Rambler Productions. Oh, this has this old cool little bag too.
Nope.
Is there something else in there?
No.
So this, we got this on a super sale too. Thank you, B&H.
Oh my goodness.
This is a ring light. You put the camera here, not my face. And then it has all these little functions on the back that allow us to light in different ways, which allows us to do like, so it looks like it's just a person with all black behind them, so like just the face and stuff. It's super cool. We're gonna have fun with that. So I think that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching and come play with us and make movies.